Okay, in this video, it's about how to make facade in SketchUp. First of all, we can use the rectangle in here. We can make the addition. We can make the random meshing in here first. We can push it down in here. Okay, then we can triple click, make group. Okay, then we can add the perforated metal in here. Maybe we can use this rectangle, this small rectangle first in here. Then we can select move. Sorry, we can move a little bit in here. Then we can make the triangle first. We can make the triangle like this in here and select move, tap control, and then we can flip along with the blue axis. Sorry, flip along with the sorry, we can flip along with another axis in here, or we can just rotate this one. Okay, flip along. Okay, we can just rotate this one in here. Okay. We can use the rotate tools in here. Okay, now we can we can push it to the front in here. Okay, and triple click and then make group. And after that we can assign with another materials, maybe with the metal materials in here, and select component, create. Okay, then we can select move, tap control, press to this position, then we can type x 30 maybe. Sorry, we can move, tap control, click and type x 30 and enter. Okay, now we can erase some unnecessary line over there, and we can select make group and move, tap control. Then we can type x 30 slash 30, enter in here. Okay, so this is about the another perforated metal. Then we can select all this facade and select move, press to this position. Then we can select a make group again, and we can select a move, tap control. Okay, and we can just rotate this one 90 degree in here and select move, tap control, press to this position. Then now we can enter from the group and explode all in here. Okay, then we can erase some unnecessary object over there, and also this one. So so we can explode all about it. Then we can erase some unnecessary object over there for something like this. Okay, so we can make the another experience about it. Okay, then we can assign about the materials of this highrise. Then we can also duplicate this one on the another facade in here, for example this position. Okay, then we can select again. We can enter from the group and select again about the facade, and also move it to the appropriate position over there, something like this. Okay, then now we can setting the screen. Okay, we can setting the screen, and maybe we can hide the profile over there, and or hide the edge in here. Okay, and after that we can set the camera to be a 2-point perspective in here. Okay, just like this, or maybe we can add the edge again, or maybe we can add more meshing option again. We can push it up again in here. Okay, and after that we can add the another podium. We can add the another podium in here. You can triple click and add the podium with we can assign with the another materials over there. We can assign with the another materials on the bottom podium of this high-rise building in here. Okay, and then we can select the another glazing with using the dark light gray glazing in here. Okay, then we can select the line, select move, tap control, place to this position. Then we can type 8 slash and enter. And for this one, select move, tap control, and type 5 slash and enter. Okay, click this line, select move. Then we can type 4 slash and enter. And also this one, select move, type 6 slash and enter. So this is about the simple podium, and we can also add more another experience on the top of this high-rise building facade. So we can divide with several facade experience in here. On the top facade, we can make the another experience. Sorry. We can adjust this one for the top facade in here, and also in here, to make it more impressive facade over there. Okay, maybe we can assign it. We can place to this edge in here. I'm sorry, we have to select one by one. Okay, and click this one and click this line and select move, tap control, press this position. Then we can type 5 slash and enter. And also this one, we can select move, tap control, type 8 slash and enter. And also this one, move, tap control, type 6 slash and enter. And click this line, select move, tap control, type 4 slash and enter. Okay, then we can select the color and assign with the another materials of this rooftop area. Then, or we can also offset it one by one, offset it inside in here and push it to the down. And also this one, or maybe we can cancel this one to make it flat. Okay, just like this. And then we can select the camera and 2-point perspective to set about the perspective view of it. Then we can we can select the screenshot tools on our tools, and then we can select copy, and we can go to the Gemini platform and activate about the create image. And okay. Okay, I've already prepared about the prompting for the commercial building in here. So it will be rendered for the commercial building fine realistic. Then we can just copy and paste on this space and just submit about our request. After we check it again about the prompting sentence, and just click submit. And of course it's take several times of rendering progress, because it's still calculate the it still calculate about the our prompting request. Okay, okay, I'm sorry, it's getting the another missing response, but we have to try to calculate again with the another prompt. Okay, this is about the another prompt of me, so we have to delete it. Then we can copy. Okay, then we can select the prompt again and paste on this position. Okay, then we can click send again. Then it's will calculate again. It will calculate again about the rendering progress, AI rendering progress, based on our prompt in here, based on our prompt. Okay, this is the first result, and maybe we can add more result. We can add more result in here. We can, okay, or we can just copy it again, copy image. Okay, we can paste, and we can copy again and paste again in here. Okay, so we can select the pro, but it's maybe it takes several times of it, because it calculate more deep than the previous process in here. So we have to try not only once, but we have to try more than once time to get the appropriate rendering that we expected before. And if we put the pro setting in here, it could be takes more time than before, because it's calculate a more deep of it. Okay, and this is about the result of it. It has several perforated metal, and it has another facade design of it, and this is about the result. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to join this channel membership subscription, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.